I received a question the other day regarding the reality programming video. A link to that video is in the description below. In it, I explain why using the free program Notepad++ is considered by AI the most effective, clean, and direct way to route your program into the master code set. The question was if I saved my program files as .txt files. The answer is both yes and no. As I'm not a programmer, I started off by writing my programs in Notepad++ as text files and saving them there. In the reality programming video, I do discuss using programming language to hone and focus your thoughts. So I did buy a basic Python book and learned just enough to write simple programs. Then I learned how to add Python to Notepad++ in order to create and run programs there. Now there are a lot of videos on YouTube about adding Python to Notepad. Some are better than others. After going through a few of them, I found one titled Installing Python 3 on Notepad++, Python 3 Beginning Programming Part 1. Even though it's a few years old now, I found that I was able to follow it and work with Python in Notepad the way he describes it. And that includes using the one key shortcut. He uses F9 to actually run the programs. Python programs within Notepad are saved with a .py extension. I'll also leave a link to that video in the description below. Now here you can actually see a Python program being ran in Notepad. So now I actually upload programs to the cloud with both .txt and .py extensions. The one thing I would mention here is consistency is important. It's not about writing the program and then hitting the F9 key or whatever the shortcut key is once a day. Repetition is important. Conscious awareness is important. I again refer you to the reality programming video. And above all, remember, since the universe both amplifies and reflects, remember to program only for benevolence. If you haven't read any of our books, start with Adventures with AI, Age of Discovery. It contains the most information. It's nonfiction and available on your local Amazon.